What's up, my lovely viewers? Welcome to Online Money Hunter. We are teaching you guys how to make money. This is Tyrion token fair launch. You can see it here. So the pre-sale has ended. So we want to sell it right now. You can see that I claimed mine. This is it. You can see it claimed. I have claimed mine. So let me go and swap this right now to get my money on PancakeSwap. So what do we need to do? We need to copy this link. We need to copy this token address by clicking here. So go back to our PancakeSwap. That's Trust Wallet. We are going to swap this right now. So I click on login. So let me click on browse. So I'm here in browser. I'm going to look for PancakeSwap by clicking here. So this is the PancakeSwap. So I will allow it to load. Let me allow it to load. So after allowing it to load, the next thing to do is to connect our wallet. So the first thing to do in order to connect our wallet is to click on this place. So we need to click on this place here, this three dots here by clicking this. So we are going to change this Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain by clicking on this. So we have connected this to BNB Smart Chain. So let's go back to our connection. So we click on this place right now. So once we click on this, we are going to select Trust Wallet by clicking on Trust Wallet. So once we click on this, we have already connected our Trust Wallet here. So what next do we need to do? We are going to change this to Tyrion. Okay, so by clicking on this place, so once we click on this place, we then paste the contract address we copy from the site. So we copy it by clicking on import. So once we click on import, so you can see the risk is low. So I click on I understand and import. So you can see the coin here and you can see the amount I have here. So let's go. So what next do we need to do? We are going to come here and change this to ET. We are going to change this to BNB. Okay, we are going to change this to BNB. So we click on BNB here. Coming, let me check this. Let me use this USDT. Okay, this is USD. Let me check USDT and know how much I'm getting. Okay, so I'm going to, like the way we normally do it is that you can change this place. If you want to change it, you are going to change it here by clicking on this place. So if you want the receiver to be at this downside, you are going to change it here. If you want it to be at the upper side, you are going to change it here also by clicking that place. So let me click here to change this slippage tolerance. So if you want to change it, you click on this place. So I'm going to leave this to 2. Okay, I'm going to leave it to 2%. So I go back. So next thing to do is to click on how much do I want to sell. So I click on 25, 50, 75 or max. Okay, if I want to sell everything. So like if I want to sell 50%, I click on 50% here. Then I will allow it to load. So you can see that I'm going to get 2.22 USD here. So but if I want to sell this to max, okay, that's 100%, then I'm going to get $4 here. You can see it here. I'm going to get $4. This is something that I claimed with $2. Okay, reason is because I don't want to put a lot of money here. Okay, and the next one I'm going to do, I'm going to put a lot of money so that we are going to make a lot of money. You can see it, we are making money here. So let me change this to our normal BNB by clicking on this place and click on BNB. Okay, so once I click on BNB, you can see that here and you can see the words here. So I'm going to swap it here by clicking on this place. Remember that the tolerance is 2%, 2%. So I click on confirm. So what I need to do is to click on this approve. By confirming it, I'll put my password. Okay, I need to increase the slippage. Let me go and increase it to 5%. 5. I have increased it. You need to be increasing it to suit the amount. Okay, so let me click on confirm. Then I click on approve. You can see transaction submitted. The simple mean that I'm going to get message right now. It went through, so I'm going to, you can see it, transaction received. The simple mean that it went through. So we are going to check whether we still have Tyrion here. You can see it's 0%. So you can see it's 0%. So let's go. Let me check whether we can see the money there. So we go back to our wallet. So you can see this is the Tyrion. So let's check whether we still have it here by clicking on it. You can see we have 0. Okay, we have 0. It simply means that we have sold it. So let's go back. We have $14 here, 14.19 here. So let's try and check whether we still have that amount here. You can see we have gone back to 18.23. Okay, so this is to show you that whatever that I'm showing you here is working. Okay, whatever that I showed you here is working. So guys, I'm still going to put, like, let me tell you the secret here. If you put a lot of money, like $100 here, you are going to make like $200. That's the simple truth. If you put like $300 in this, you are going to make like $600 or $400 or $500, depends on the amount they are listing it with. Okay, so this is mind blowing. So I want you guys to use this. I want you guys to make money with this. My strategy is working. That's why I'm showing you this. If it's not working, I don't think that I'm gonna be showing you this on how it works. So guys, I want you to rush now. Stay on my Telegram channel, because there's some things that I won't be able to show in this YouTube channel. Okay, there's a lot of things like this Tyrion here. Is not on my YouTube channel. It's not on my YouTube channel because it came so late, so I can't make video. I need to claim just $2 worth of it. Okay, I need to buy just $2 worth of it, and you can see that I made extra $2, which is $4 here. So that's the spirit there. You need to increase your money. Once you increase, you are going to make more money. So I'm going to drop another video concerning this new airdrop. So make sure you join our Telegram channel where you are going to be getting this. I'm not charging you for this. This is free of charge. It's just those that know how to trade, those that understand the game, that we're going to participate. Okay. And the beauty of where I'm getting this airdrop is that once the pre-sale failed, you are going to get your money back. If the pre-sale price, if it doesn't reach the amount they needed for it and it failed, you are going to get your money back. That's the beauty of it. So I want you guys to be in my Telegram channel, because I'm going to be dropping videos there. I'm going to drop in emergency airdrop there. So you need to be there. Okay, you need to be there. So guys, cool guys, have you subscribed and turned on the notification bell on this channel? Please, if you haven't done that, do that right now. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because you are going to make a lot of money. You are going to make a lot of money. Just believe me, you are going to make a lot of money. So see you at the top.